Hi, this is Woo Jang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to install Kammok Crosswing on my Mars Adventure Gear Expedition front rack. I installed the front rack to mount various camping accessories, and I want to attach an awning on the side. Having some shade during camping, whether it's sunny or rainy, can easily enhance my camping experience. That's why I decided to get an awning to improve my overall camping setup. There are tons of awning options out there, but I went with the Kammok Crosswing because it's simply super easy to deploy. In this video, I'll walk you through the installation process and do a quick test of the awning. The Kammok Crosswing comes in a 2 length and 2 color, 5 feet and 7 feet, with the color option in charcoal gray and desert tan. I choose the 5 feet with charcoal gray color option. Looking at the highlights on the box, it says it only takes 3 seconds to deploy. It doesn't require any poles. It's ready to withstand wind up to 25 miles per hour. You can adjust it to 3 deployment depth, 3 feet, 4.9, and 6.5 feet. It also includes awning brackets are compatible with most crossbar and even allow for angle adjustments. Let's open the box and take a look. First, there's a manual and some foam padding for the brackets. Inside the small box, you'll find the various bolts and screws. If you check the foam padding at the end of the awning, you'll see brackets stored in there. Kammok offers a variety of mounting brackets, but the default bracket included should work with most crossbars. The first step is to attach foam padding to the mounting bracket. Cut the padding to fit the bracket size and make sure that to align properly with the hole before sticking it on. The second step is to mount the brackets onto your crossbar. Before you start, decide where on your vehicle you want to install the awning. Since the entrance to my rooftop tent is on the right side, I decide to mount the awning on the right side as well. I tried using the plates provided by Kammok to fit into the crossbar slots, but they were too large. Instead, I used the T-slot bolts provided by Mars Adventure Gear. I mounted the brackets at the rearmost and the frontmost position of the crossbar. Place the lock washer on top of the brackets and secure them with bolts. The next step is to attach the bracket to the back of the awning. Loosely secure the included bolts and plates, then align the bracket with the width of the crossbars. Place the awning on top of the brackets. Keep the bolts slightly loose so you can adjust the awning position later. Since the awning weighs about 38 pounds, having someone to help you will make the process much easier and safer. Now, adjust the position of the awning back and forth until it's properly aligned. Then tighten the bolts underneath to secure it. If you need to adjust the angle, you can do so at this stage. Once the installation was complete, I tried to deploy the awning, but the shade was loose and it wouldn't retract properly. It seems like there was an issue with the internal spring, so I contacted Kammok directly and they sent me a replace unit. Although it was a bit of a hassle, I removed the faulty unit and installed the replacement. After readjusting the position, and I tested it again. To deploy the awning, unlock the switch on the left side, release the clip in the middle, and just pull it out. This time, it deploys smoothly without any issues. When you hear the click, it means the awning reached the locking position when you let go, and it will stay secure. The first locking position is at 3 feet, the second one at 4.9 feet, and the last one at 6.5 feet. After setting the desired depth, pull the left switch up a few times to tighten the shade for more secure fit. Right now, my Cybertruck suspension is set to medium height and I'm about 6 feet and 6 inches tall and have no issues standing up underneath the awning. If you need more space, you can raise the suspension to high for extra clearance. Even though I'm not at the camping site and the sun isn't too intense today, having the shade makes the space much cozier. Retracting the awning is just as easy. Unlock the switch on the left again, gently pull the shade forward, and let it retract naturally. It only takes a few seconds, making it super convenient to use. I think it will be great for picnics, and I can't wait to try it out on my next camping trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss my next video. See ya!